What's up, trippers? Welcome to Saturday Smiles Season 3 Episode 10, the final episode of this season as we're coming up to Christmas. And today's topic is, does running tech help us or hinder us? More about that later. How have you all been this week? Yes, here in the UK, we've been experiencing some damn cold temperatures. Right now, it's allegedly +1 Celsius, which is the first time this week I've been running where it's been in the positives. Yeah, because it's been in the big minuses of late. So I don't know how you guys have been coping here in the UK. I know for my North American friends, Canadians in particular, say, well, this is just a normal day in Canada. We've had like -11 Celsius, which is about 10 to 15 Fahrenheit. And yeah, I've found it super tough this week. And also, whilst I'm still buzzing from last week's Telford 10k, oh yes, thank you all so much for those wonderful comments. I do appreciate it. Leave the comments below about, does tech help us or hinder us? But I'd love to know how you got on this week with the freezing temperatures. How did you cope? Did you revert to indoor treadmill, or did you get out there and brave it? The challenge for me was, even with multi-layers like now, I have 3 layers on my leggings and shorts, double gloves, and when I was out all of the days, within about 20 minutes my hands would be frozen solid. And yeah, it wasn't pleasant, but thankfully my longest of the long run this week, because they've all been easy runs, recovery runs, jiggy jogs, was about 50 minutes, so I wasn't out in the cold too long. So that's how I coped in my little way. But yeah, it's quite frosty on the paths here, very different to last week where it was a dry frost. Morning guys. Yeah, it was a dry frost last week, but anyway, right, try and jog past these people.
Coming through!
And which way are you going? Hey guys, you alright? Morning. What was I saying? Yes, I'd love to hear from you how you were coping with these temperatures, because boy oh boy, I was like proper brass monkey weather, I think we call it here. Oh yes, proper brass monkey weather. So the question of tech, does it help or hinder us? I'd love to hear from you guys. You would have seen that I've now purchased the new Garmin Enduro. Well, whilst the Enduro is not a new piece of kit from Garmin, because it's the Enduro 2, for me it's a new piece of kit, the Enduro 1. And it's a great piece of kit, but it raises a question, because it was inevitable I would get some comments about Timex watches and so on, so thank you for that, Bill. And when I speak with a lot of people of a certain age, shall we say, we did use tech. Hi guys, we did use tech of a certain ilk. Let's get it this way. Ooh. Yeah, it was inevitable. So, are apps on a mobile phone enough? Do we need a sports watch? I'd love to hear from you in the comments below, and I'll be delving into this deeper over the coming weeks, because I've not been feeling too well this week. I definitely had some kind of bug, probably from all the training, the cold weather as well. I'm not just used to this at all. My Mediterranean blood is not used to -11. Even with the heating on in the apartment, it was cold in there. So that does affect us, that affects our well-being. And the watch was showing HRV low, heart rate variance low. Not well, needed to rest. My training sessions, each one said I was strained, yes. So can tech help us? I mean, I knew I wasn't well, so all the watch was doing was confirming I wasn't well, yeah, and I'm still not fully recovered from it, but I'm just doing easy runs, aerobic runs. So yeah, and here I am at the start of the park run. So I'm going to take you along on the park run, and then we'll have a little chat afterwards as well. Hello, catch a little one on camera. Hey up, guys. Oh, hello, hello.
Oh. This is what she does.
Good to see you, good to see you.
Yes,
lovely.
you.
Wow, what
She's
an amazing
amazing.
specimen.
Gorgeous.
Are you going to run?
I'm going to have a little go.
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah,
Excellent.
She might just pull me all the way.
Well,
around.
you know, go for it. It's the right weather for it.
Yeah, slippy.
Go skiing. Enjoy. Morning, you guys. Well, what a wonderful specimen that beautiful dog is. Yes, we're going on their first park run together. Yes, a rescue dog there. Absolutely amazing. Lovely to see. So as I said, I'm going to get this now on my chest strap and we're going to get ready to go. Better change batteries as well, just to make sure the battery don't go flat.
That's just for 1 lap. Gotta love it. Gotta love it though.
Let's get that on camera.
You gotta love it.
Smile, you're on camera. No sprinting. Hey, mate. Thank you, marshals. Whew, that's nice. Ooh. How's that, buddy? Well done.
Very good job.
Well done, you. Thank you, marshals. No gloves.
No,
You must be rock hard, rock hard. Way. Thank you, marshals. I don't know how you do it without gloves. Are you like bionic?
Well done.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Way. P38, thank you. Whew. That was fun. You can recover now.
Yes, yeah.
So let's get you on camera. What's your name?
Mine's Ben Thorpe. Got the old man somewhere on the loop.
Yeah,
Right.
Cambridge Rowing Club.
York.
York Rowing Club, yeah. And with the Yorkshire leggings, if you can point down there, yeah, we'll point down. Feeling good?
Yes, actually, yeah.
Excellent.
Really well.
Well, lovely running with you, and all the best on your next
Yeah,
park
good luck.
runs.
Thank
Take
you.
care.
See you
All
the
the
next
best.
one.
Hey.
Well done,
Oh, you were flying last week, buddy, weren't you?
Oh, same with you. You look like you're putting a good time.
Got that one?
Yeah, I do.
And then this one.
Yeah, no, well done on that. Is that a Masters?
Not a Master's place, no,
No,
it's fifth. But still a PB.
Nice
What
one.
more can you do?
Yeah.
Anyway, thank you.
love that one though.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful, but I like it, yeah.
All right. So that's park run done, and yeah, that felt really good. Even in this frosty path. And here's a man just in a singlet because he's so hard. Yeah, that was super enjoyable. I was due to do strides today, but as the paths are too frosty, I thought let's just kick in a fast last 1k instead, which I did. No idea what the parkrun time is, probably show below in the edit, but yes, let's capture some of the guys finishing now. is park run and run complete. I'm just going to head back home now. I hope you enjoyed this morning's video. Last of the Saturday Smiles for this season. Yes, 10 episodes we've had in this season. We're coming up to Christmas and New Year, so I'm going to have a little bit of a mini break from these and we'll start a new season in the new year. Saturday Smiles season 4. Very much looking forward to that and sharing with you, as a number of you picked up, there will be some epic adventures next year, as there has been this year, and I really appreciate your support each and every week, the comments, likes, sharing of videos and watching all the way through. It's quite amazing that most of you watch all the way through. I might not get the most of views compared to other YouTubers, but you are all very dedicated to the cause, which I thank you and I salute you all. And yeah, so I'm going to head back. Don't forget, leave the comments. Running tech, does it help or hinder us? Would love to hear from you, and I'm looking forward to sharing the whole of this park run later in the week as well, with all the chats, so you can listen to me chatting with the other runners. And that's what is part of what's enjoyable about parkrun. We can get out there and meet other people we've never met before and just talk about random topics. Yes, love you all, take care, bye bye bye, and of course wishing you a very happy Christmas, New Year and all that. Yes, enjoy the mince pies.
Yeah. They said if you're running 3 times, that's all you can do. So pick your, choose your poison.
Yes, exactly, exactly. I'm going to let you look at, you're edging to pull away here. Don't let me hold you back.
I know. I'm going to know. Oh, I'm glad you did that anyway. Mission accomplished. That's brilliant.
Yeah. It's
an extra mince pie.
Sorry?
You have an extra mince pie.
Oh, we already had that.
Yeah,
We went to Cafe Nero, hot mince pie with the cream.
Ah, spoil yourself.
Absolutely.
Right. I'll see you in.
Yeah, take care. Catch you in a bit.